In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Google Classroom code, your complete guide for 2025. Whether you're a teacher looking to share the code with your students or a student trying to join a class, knowing how to find this essential piece of information quickly can make a significant difference in your digital learning journey. Let's dive right in and make sure you have everything you need to get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Google Classroom homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type classroomgoogle.com into the address bar. Make sure you're logged into Google with the correct account, particularly if you use multiple accounts, to ensure you can access all the classes associated with the right email. Once you're on the homepage, you should see a dashboard with all your classes displayed prominently. This dashboard is your central hub, providing easy access to all of your active classes. Now, take a look at the grid of class tiles displayed. Each tile represents a different subject or class you're associated with. Pick the specific class for which you need the code. Simply click on the tile to open it. This action will take you into the class's main page, where all its resources, including assignments and class discussions, are organized. Once inside the class page, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find various navigation options pertaining to the class. Look closely at the class code section. This is typically displayed prominently, often near the class title or in the header of the class homepage. The class code is a unique identifier, a string of letters and numbers. It's crucial for joining the class if you're a student or inviting others if you're a teacher. If you're a student, simply copy this class code. You'll need to enter it in the Join Class section, which you can find on the main Google Classroom homepage by clicking the plus sign usually located in the top right corner. Paste the code and you'll be added to the class. It's that simple. For teachers, sharing this code with students is key. You might want to communicate it directly, perhaps via email or through an intro announcement if your school uses other collaboration tools. The class code not only grants access to your course materials, but also ensures that student engagement is streamlined and organized. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective method to find and use the Google Classroom code. Keeping track of these codes is paramount for smooth digital learning experiences, whether you're embarking on a new academic term or integrating various resources into your curriculum. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more confident managing your Google Classroom activities. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.